Hey guys, Michael from Copper vs Glass, and in today's video we are checking out the newest pair of active noise cancelling earbuds from LG. These are the tone-free T90Q. And with Dolby Atmos features, a graphene unit and 29 hours of battery, these are to be some of the best earbuds to come out this year. And this is also a double upload. I've got a video in the description of the first pair of sports earbuds from LG, the TF8Q, so if you're looking for something a little bit more sporty, then again, check it out in the description below. But as always, a bit of housekeeping before we get into the video. The T90Q comes in both black and the white version that I have here. They're going to be available starting from today and of course will be linked down below. For the unboxing, LG has basically switched over to an all recyclable design for their new packaging. In the box you get a USB-A to C cable, USB-C to 3.5mm adapter, which we will get onto and have a look at, some paperwork, multiple ear tips to get that perfect fit, and of course the earbuds themselves. Now the case for the tone-free line of earbuds from LG has looked this way for quite some time now, but that's not necessarily a bad thing. It's one of the smallest and most compact cases out there that you can currently get for these sorts of earbuds. You have a tiny case which is able to fit into even the smallest pockets, multiple LEDs for charging, pairing, and the UV tech. Now you do also have a slider on the side that will make the case basically act as a Bluetooth receiver. So with the cable that's included in the box, the 3.5mm to USB-C cable, you can basically plug the cable into anything that takes an auxiliary input and then use the case as basically a Bluetooth receiver to use the earbuds wirelessly on some tech that may not have Bluetooth natively built in. So for example, if you've got an Xbox controller like I do here, you can just plug the actual case into the bottom 3.5mm output and then you can use the earbuds wirelessly with the Xbox, using it for your favorite games or watching movies or listening to music. It's a really great feature that I wish some other manufacturers would implement into their earbuds moving forward. The earbuds themselves do also have a super nice sleek design to them, and we'll get onto more of the design side of things and how they fit when we get to the sound side of things, but the actual fit of the earbuds is pretty good overall. They really do have some all-day comfort. If you're going out for a long period of time, they'll still feel comfortable even after hours of use. The earbuds also feature medical grade ear gels, and that goes hand in hand with the UV tech built into the case. This means that when the case is closed, the UV area will reach both the ear gels and also the inner mesh inside the earbuds to reduce bacteria by up to 99.9% with just a 10-minute charge. So with a great design and some nice features, how do they actually sound? Well, the T90Qs are the first pair of earbuds that feature Dolby Atmos head tracking support. So the earbuds locate the source of music, for example my phone on my desk, and the sound will only come from that area, and even if I move around the room. So for example, if the phone is to my left or to my right, that's where the sound's going to be coming from within the actual earbud itself. It's a very immersive, if not a bit strange at first effect. Now this does also mean that you get the best experience watching Dolby Atmos movies or music with these earbuds. LG have also partnered up with Meridian to deliver great bass, clear mids and crisp highs. Music, movies, and in general voice-rich content sounds super natural with these earbuds. Now I personally have also been using these earbuds for around a month now with tons of different music genres, movies, podcasts, whether it's acoustic or super heavy music, and they sound great pretty much no matter what you're listening to. But of course that experience is going to be amplified if you're using it with something that is Dolby Atmos supported. Listening to even the heaviest music or something with a ton of bass, the music never really gets distorted or muddy, and like I mentioned, even if you're using them for something a bit more chilled or acoustic, it basically sounds like you're in the room with the artist. It's got a really nice overall tone to the sound quality. Now something that also really helps with the overall sound is the adaptive ANC or active noise cancellation built into the earbuds. So basically what it can do is it can know kind of the sounds and what's going on around you to change and amplify or take away some of the background noise using the ANC. So really no matter what situation you're in, you're going to be getting the best overall noise cancellation that you can think of with these earbuds. Now with all that tech on board, like the active noise cancellation and the Dolby Atmos support, what's the overall battery life going to be like on these earbuds? Well, you've got 9 hours in the earbuds and a further 20 hours using the case, and I think for most people having 29 hours of total battery life is going to be plenty. If however you want to tinker around with some of the settings like the noise cancellation and some of the other modes that you've got, you can then use the tone-free app. Here you can change the listening modes from normal to ANC to transparency mode. You can also turn things on like different EQs and also some of the Dolby Atmos features directly within the app. The application itself in general is one of the best laid out and featured apps that I've actually tried. And of course some of the other features like active noise cancellation and transparency don't just have to be done through the app. If for example you long press on the earbud, it can actually change some of those settings on the fly. So if you're out and about and you do need to change it from noise cancellation to transparency to hear something, you don't need to worry about getting your phone out and going into the app. Just long press on one of the earbuds and you're all good to go. And that's actually going to do it guys on this video on the LG tone-free T90Q. And of course these will be linked in the description down below, along with my review on the first pair of sports earbuds from LG, the TF8Q, again linked in the description below. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. If you've got any questions or comments, let me know in the comment section. If you guys aren't already subscribed, now is a great time to do so, and once you've hit that subscribe button, don't forget to turn on notifications so you're notified anytime I post a video here on the channel. I'm Michael from Copper vs Glass. I'll hopefully see you over at that other review, and as always I'll catch you guys in the next video.